wake the neighbors. Today I'm out at the dew drop-in range with the FN FNP-45 suppressed. This one has the Banish 45M on it from Silencer Central. Aim a little higher. There you go, right on point.
Almost jumped out of my hand.
Little higher.
Well.
There you go. Perfect.
Man, does that make it easy or what?
Oh, big YouTuber. Hey.
And it locks back on the last round.
I thought you didn't shoot pistols on your channel.
We have neighbors.
Look around like you shit your pants.
Got him!
Look around like you shit your pants.
I just did.
Like an owl.
Oh, there you go. We'll see ya. Thanks for coming to the show.